Crash course on Jamaica, geography and location. Welcome to a crash course on Jamaica's geography and location. Situated in the Caribbean Sea, Jamaica is the third largest island in the Greater Antilles and is known for its stunning landscapes and natural beauty. Let's explore the geographical features of Jamaica, some interesting stories and examples, and then delve into the top 12 attractions that showcase the unique geography and location of this island paradise. Jamaica's geographical wonders. 1. Blue Mountains. This majestic mountain range stretches across the eastern part of Jamaica and is renowned for its lush greenery, coffee plantations, and the famous Blue Mountain Peak, the highest point on the island. 2. Cockpit Country. Located in the heart of Jamaica, the Cockpit Country is a unique geological formation characterized by its rugged limestone hills, deep valleys, and hidden caves. It is considered a biodiversity hotspot and is home to many endemic species. 3. Dunn's River Falls. This iconic waterfall in Ocho Rios cascades down a series of terraces, creating a natural staircase that visitors can climb. It's a prime example of Jamaica's stunning water features. 4. Black River. Jamaica's longest river, the Black River, meanders through the island's south coast and is known for its rich wildlife, including crocodiles and exotic bird species. 5. Montego Bay. Located on the northwest coast, Montego Bay is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and vibrant nightlife. 6. Martha Brae River. Flowing through the lush interior of Jamaica, the Martha Brae River offers visitors a tranquil bamboo rafting experience, surrounded by the island's natural beauty. 7. Hellshire Hills. These hills in southern Jamaica are part of the Cockpit Country and are home to diverse plant and animal species, making them an ideal spot for nature lovers and hiking enthusiasts. 8. Port Royal. Situated at the mouth of Kingston Harbor, Port Royal is an important historic site and was once a bustling pirate haven. Today, visitors can explore its rich maritime history and discover artifacts from the past. 9. Rio Grande. The Rio Grande is a scenic river in the eastern part of Jamaica, offering thrilling rafting experiences amidst picturesque surroundings. 10. Blue Hole Mineral Spring. Located in Negril, this natural mineral spring is nestled in a limestone cave and provides a unique swimming experience in its turquoise waters. 11. Hellshire Beach. This popular beach on Jamaica's south coast is known for its golden sand, crystal clear waters, and delicious seafood. 12. Reach Falls. Tucked away in the John Crow Mountains, Reach Falls is a hidden gem featuring cascading waterfalls and natural pools surrounded by lush rainforest. In summary, Jamaica's geography and location offer a diverse range of natural wonders, from majestic mountains and picturesque waterfalls to beautiful beaches and historic harbors. Explore the island's unique features and embark on unforgettable adventures in its breathtaking landscapes. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate Jamaica's geography and location with a poem. In Jamaica's embrace, the wonders unfold. A land of mountains, rivers, and stories untold. From Blue Mountain's peak, a majestic sight, to Cockpit Country's secrets, hidden from the light. Dunn's River Falls, a stairway of dreams. Cascading waters, nature's symphony it seems. Black River winds, a serpent of grace. Through verdant landscapes, a wild embrace. Montego Bay's beaches, pristine and gold, where turquoise waters, mysteries enfold. Martha Brae's gentle current, a tranquil ride. A journey of serenity, along nature's guide. Port Royal's tales, of pirates and lore. A harbor of history, a treasure trove in store. Rio Grande's flow, a rafting adventure unfolds. As laughter echoes, through stories yet untold. Hellshire Hills rise, with secrets to share. Where nature thrives, in the cool mountain air. Blue Hole Mineral Spring, a sanctuary of calm. In its mineral-rich waters, find healing and balm. Hellshire Beach, where waves gently roll, inviting us to immerse our soul. And Reach Falls, a hidden gem so pure. nature's masterpiece, an allure to endure. Jamaica's geography, a tapestry divine, where nature and beauty forever intertwine. From mountains to beaches and rivers so grand, this island paradise, a captivating land. So come, explore Jamaica's wonders true, and let its geography enchant and renew. Embrace the treasures it has in store. In this Caribbean gem, forever adore. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.